from the lungs and gets to cross the vocal folds. It becomes a voiced or a voiceless sound when the air is marching out. Bilabial sounds, labiodental sound, dental alveolar, post-alveolar sound, palato-alveolar, palato-velar sounds, then labiovelar and glottal. And finally, plosificative, affricate nasal approximants. This group includes two semi-vowel sounds, one frictionless, one lateral. Oh, when the sounds are marching out, oh, when the sounds are marching out, you're gonna learn a whole lot about the sounds when the sounds are marching out. Are you struggling with this stuff? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Phonetics has come to town. He's a hell of a teacher with a bunch of resources that'll make it much easier with this goddamn sound.